In this program we will convert quadratic equation into Python. So for that we are going to import math library. By using it math library you can easily call all the functions inside math library. So basic you have to use your logical skills. Here we are going to use three coefficients which are a, b and c. So we will take the values on runtime. This is why we use input command here. So in this we will divide or half the formula into 2. So we are going to create a variable which is determinant equals to b power 2 minus 4ac, which is the numerator value, and then if d is greater than 0 then print roots. We are going to create two variables here. Root 1, where we are going to assign one method which is minus b plus math dot square root, and d because d contains all the formula inside this one variable. So it is really easy to solve problem in simplified way. Then we are going to create another variable which executes and which stores value on runtime, which is root 2 and minus b minus math dot square root of d. So when user enters the value it will calculate it. So without if condition it's not possible to get the perfect answer. So make sure you are going to use if condition that we already learned in previous video. Here you are going to give a command, and in else you basically in else there are imaginary values. What kind of imaginary values are? Imaginary values are negative values, and as you all know in mathematics square root of negative values are not possible. Keep practicing and watching all the videos to learn Python in simplest way. Thank you.